Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you how to start editing from zero. So the application that I will use today is CapCut application. So you just need to go click open the CapCut application. And how do you start editing in a CapCut application? You just need to start a project. So the project is the documents that you will work with to edit the video. Just need to go click this part, and after that they will be generate you into the video collections on your phone. If the video is already on your phone, you just need to go click it, and after that you just need to go click add, and now this video will be bring into your project and you are ready to do an editing for your video. So here the editing tool is gonna be in this down side. You can just access it by just click every part of this tools to access it. So the basic tutorial today I would like to give to you is adding the animation on this video. To add the animation in this video, you just need to go click the clip, and after that you just need to jump into the animation. And in this animation you just need to choose either you want to add animation only on the beginning or the ending, or you can also do the combo or both. If you only want to have the in, you just need to make sure that you are in section, and you just need to like slide into the left side and choose this what type animation that you want to have for the video. For example, the zoom in. You can also adjusting the speed of the animations that you want to have. If you want to make it longer, just drag it into the right side. If you want to make it shorter, drag into the left side. And whenever you got the right speed, you just need to go click done. And now you can just take a look on the result. If you want to do another editing, you just need to go back into the features that downside here. But if you want to add another video, you just need to go click this plus button and choose another video that you want to have. For example, you need another cat video, but you don't have any videos of cat. You just need to go into the stock videos here, and you just need to type cat, and after that go click search, and there will be appear here a lot of videos of cat that you can use or you can add. And whenever you find it, you just need to go click add, and there you go. You already have two clips that you're ready to edit. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click this part to export your video, and make sure that you are not locking your phone or move from these pages. And after you're done, just go click done, and that's it. That's the way how to edit from zero by CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.